Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today, I've got something different, but kind of the same. These are the NC9 True Wireless Earbuds by Tozo. The earbuds offer Bluetooth 5.0 for high quality stereo sound and 9.2mm drivers for that deep bass. The earbuds also have active noise cancellation when you want to block out that unwanted noise, but also offers transparency mode when you need to hear your surroundings. The earbuds and case are made out of a hard plastic material in black. The texture is smooth and a little slippery, so you're going to want to watch out when handling these so they don't slip out of your hands. The build quality feels solid though, but you have to remember it's only plastic, so if you drop these on concrete, they will get roughed up and maybe even crack, but I do believe they will keep the buds protected. The case is magnetized and the lid closes with a hard snap, so it's going to provide additional security. These earbuds are also IPX6 water resistant, so they will not be a problem wearing in the gym and getting some sweat on them, or if you're out and about and get caught out in the rain, no problem. The earbuds offer over 10.5 hours of playtime from a single charge, and an extra 24 hours of playtime when using the case to charge, so over 30 hours of playtime. I think that's excellent. When using active noise cancellation though, battery life does diminish some. Tozo says the earbuds offer about 7 hours of playtime with active noise cancellation on. Now for sound. These earbuds are excellent. They provide clear sound and plenty of bass, and that's in normal mode. Turning on bass boost mode, it'll make any bass head proud. With that great sound clarity, these earbuds are not just great for listening to music, they are also great for watching videos and gaming. Now these don't provide a low latency game mode, but for casual gaming these are fine. The earbuds also support single mode, where you can have one in your ear and one charging in the case. This is great for when you need to hear your surroundings. Now to control the earbuds, they use a touch sensor, which Tozo calls Smart Control. The earbuds can control volume, play and pause, switch tracks, answer calls, and call up your voice assistant. Now as far as fit goes, these fit me great. They are on the bigger side for stemless earbuds, but I've got big ears and they fit me well with the medium-sized ear tips. Speaking of ear tips, Tozo provides 5 total pairs, which is awesome. Make sure you test fit each one, because having the wrong size ear tips can really affect the sound quality. The earbuds use a USB-C port for charging and comes with a USB-C cable. Unfortunately, it does not come with a power brick, so you will need to provide your own. Now that's pretty normal these days. Now let's pair these up with your phone. Make sure you have Bluetooth on your phone and have the earbuds nearby. Take them both out of the case and your phone will see them. Hit connect and you're paired. Now anytime you want to use them, just put them in your ears and they'll automatically connect. Now before I forget, let's do a quick mic check. Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo doing a quick mic check on the Tozo NC9 True Wireless Earbuds. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. I think they sound great. So these earbuds are an excellent budget pair that offer a lot of features that won't break the bank, and I feel that they are a solid buy. Now I'll put a link in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button, because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.